What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll talk about the Duolingo icon being dead and what does it mean. So let's get started. Now first, if you take a look at the Duolingo's Twitter page or X page, you will see this pinned tweet right here, announcing the death of the Duolingo owl. So there are also some other posts like this, that both of them were killed by a Cybertruck, and most of these recent posts are related to the Duolingo app icon's death, or the Duolingo owl's death. So why did Duolingo team decide to do this? Now the reason is really simple, it's just for the marketing purposes. So Duolingo team has a really good marketing team, and if you remember, from time to time, about every 2 months, Duolingo app icon changes to something different, and that change lasts about a week or two. So what this does is just stirs up a lot of conversation regarding Duolingo and Duolingo app, and that way drives a lot of traffic and new users to the Duolingo app. So that's essentially just the usual boring reason why Duolingo app icon changed. So it's just for the marketing purposes and for driving new users to the Duolingo app. So that's guys why your Duolingo app icon changed to this dead one and why Duolingo owl died. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.